Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Know the facts. That's the cry of Jamaica Cricket Association President Wilford in response to criticism by two local coaches over the handling of the sport during the COVID-19 pandemic. Jerome Foster reports.
In a swift response to criticism from coaches Kirkland Bailey and Carl Robinson on Wednesday, Jamaica Cricket Association President Wilford has sought to clear the air on the JCA's stance on the resumption of the sport in Jamaica. Both coaches took issue with Heaven's statement that club and parish association cricket might not return before September, despite the SDC Community T20 competition commencing last weekend. Heaven explained that the decision was taken to avoid a schedule congestion.
We are working with an end of September timeline, given all that is happening at the moment, given the SDC competition which is taking place, and given also the fact that the JCA will be hosting international tour here in Jamaica at Sabina Park in August.
Heaven also explained that there are other factors which affect the JCA's decision.
In order to obtain an approval, the authorities must be certain and must be in a position to provide the level of supervision of different agencies, by the way, the supervision necessary at these different locations. Now, if that is not contained, it will put an extraordinary pressure on the authorities to do that.
As it relates to clubs, Heaven says those stakeholders are aware of the plans to resume cricket.
In terms of the clubs and the associations, the JCA has provided $400,000 to each club and association to conduct camps in preparation for the restart of cricket. We have received 14 plans so far, and the program is going very well. The JCA has also launched a talent identification program across the island to enable the national selectors to identify talents at the age group level.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.